LECFC News Update.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Narito po kami upang maghatid sa inyo ng mga natatanging informasyon sa ating session. Ako po si Kuya Mark.
At ako si Roger.
At ito ang NECFCC News Update.
Last Wednesday po ay ginanap ng outreach para sa mga estudyante sa UPES. At ito ay ginanap sa loob na Intramuros.
Praise God! Dahil ongoing pa rin po ang VIATech Savvy program ng Media Group. At alam nyo ba, later this afternoon ay continuation ng pag-aaral po sa Microsoft Excel 2007. So, huwag po kayong mawawala.
Nais niyo po bang balikan ang mga message at offer stories na ating mga pastors o leaders? O kaya sariwain ang mga past memories na ating mga events at activities? Ang Media Group ay naglunsad ng proyekto na tinatawag na Transformers. Ito ay may layunin na magbahagi o mag-transfer ng mga resources na ito directly sa inyong phone or gadget. For more information, just approach Brother Roy Paulo Lim and Brother Jason Saludo.
Our morning service starts at 10 a.m. and ends at 12 noon every Sunday. Enjoy God's presence and fellowship with our co-believers. For the young people, the youth service is for you, 2:30 p.m. until 4 p.m. every Sunday. Every Friday, we hold our prayer meeting at 8 p.m. Itaas natin ang Panginoon sama-sama habang tayo'y tapat na nananalangin sa Kanya. It's great to spend more time with our co-believers as we study His Word. So make sure na may cell group ka ng kinabibilangan. We hold our men's and women's joint fellowship every third Sunday of the month after our morning service. Huwag kalimutan! For all the church workers, don't forget our workers' fellowship every first Wednesday of the month. This is a great time to have fellowship with one another.
Oh, Roger, yan ka pala. Alam mo ba na magkakaroon na tayo ng music ngayong July 30? Saturday yun.
Talaga?
Oo.
Eh, alam mo rin ba, Kuya Mark, na magkakaroon ng cell group training para sa mga cell group leaders.
Talaga?
At abangan yan ngayong August.
Wow. Dahil pala natin training. Ayos yan.
Abangan! Give thanks to the Lord, for He is good.
His love endures forever. Psalms 107 verse 1. See you again next week
For another exciting edition of
NECFCC News Update.
LECFC News Update.